When prepping onions, many people will just throw the outer skin away. But onion skin is where the real longevity secrets lie. It is packed with incredibly powerful antioxidants. Cut the onion skin into small pieces. After heating it up, this pot of reddish-brown water will contain a large amount of quercetin. In medicine, this is a known natural anti-inflammatory agent. As we get older, more and more people turn to simple, natural diets. This helps older adults boost their metabolism and protects prostate health. When the prostate is healthy, the body can truly thrive and enjoy longevity. The sulfur compounds in onions can help make the blood less viscous. With improved blood circulation, it benefits not only the prostate, but also the metabolism in your lower limbs. Onions promote blood circulation, while red dates replenish vital energy. Together, they boost both your blood and energy. Clear blood vessels and strong immunity are the foundation of longevity. The unique pungent aroma of onion, paired with the sweetness of red dates, creates a very distinctive flavor profile. I highly recommend couples drink this onion water together. For men, the quercetin in onion skin is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse that improves pelvic microcirculation and eases prostate discomfort. For women, its rich antioxidants help smooth circulation, relieving cold hands, cold feet, and leg soreness. Finally, add some mango. Mango not only balances out the onion's sharp taste, but its rich vitamins also work alongside to double the antioxidant effect, making this elixir pleasantly sweet and sour.